to our channel. I'm Mimi Jen and this is
Baby,
Princess Minion. Ang gagawin natin ngayon?
saan na naman siya?
Uy, what are we going to do?
Unbox.
Unbox! Yay! Ito Yes, we're going to unbox and we're now on our day 22 of unboxing our Once Upon a Farm holiday collection! Yay! Ayun, may extra tayo Si Ducky. Who is Ducky?
A sleeping partner.
Your sleeping partner. Yes, hindi siya po makatulog without Ducky. Nung isang gabi, umiiyak pa yan kasi hindi niya makita si Ducky. Natabunan pala ng mga toys niya dito. O, yan. O, gusto sumama ng mga aso ang ingay. Ayan. O, Bibia, open mo na. Open. 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 Yay! On 22 na tayo. Anong number ang 22?
2 and 1.
Ang 2 and 1 is 21 Ano 22?
2 and 1.
Ay, may code! 22. Sige na. Where is number 22?
2 and 2.
Saan? Good job! Yeah, open. Wait, ay, wag gano'n. Mau-open yung iba. Oh, dahan-dahan na, be gentle. Yun.
What is inside?
Wait lang. Wow! Aw, ayan, natanggal tuloy. Our featured farm is Kalipay Coconut Farm in
Coconut! I love coconut! I love
Yes.
coconut!
in Julillo Island, Philippines. And we have Brit again! Roll on! Yay!
What's inside?
Huwag mo munang i-open yan kasi meron pa tayong Brit again Yan. So, let's open this. And let's read. Located in the tropical landscape of the Philippines, Kalipay is dedicated to empowering the local community, donating a portion of its annual profits to fight generational poverty through education and leadership programs. Green chemistry is used to eliminate waste in the production of coconut oil used in Young Living roll-ons. Oils like coconut oil from this farm are used in signature products like Breathe Again Roll-On. Yan. And our featured product is Breathe Again Roll-On. So what I love about Breathe Again Roll-On, this is very, very handy. You can bring it anywhere and directly apply it on your skin. Yan. So since meron pa akong ginagamit na currently na Breathe Again Roll-On, I won't open this one, but I'm going to show to you how it looks like. Wait lang, I'm going to get it.
Ano?
Yan. So, this is our Breathe Again roll-on. There. So, it's a 10 ml roller bottle and it's already pre-diluted. Yan. And ang maganda dito, it's combination of different oils which is very good for the respiratory, such as eucalyptus globulus, eucalyptus radiata, peppermint, copaiba, myrtle, and kasi scientific name nakalagay Ito rin pala, blue cypress, balsam copaiba, myrtle, rose hip extract. Ayun, nasabi ko na. Yan. And you can, di ba ngayon, lagi tayong nakamask pag alabas. So, si Breathe Again, I roll it on my mask. So, to help me breathe better, kasi di ba usually pag may mask, nahihirapan tayong huminga. And this makes it easier to breathe. At saka, ang sarap ng pang-amoy, ang sarap nung nalalanghap mo. And also, this is good for people who needs respiratory support, lalo na kapag mabilis kang hingalin, yan, you find it difficult to breathe. Breathe Again is good to apply on the chest and also sa back. Also, maganda din siya kapag nangangati yung throat. I remembered when I went to Thailand. Shh! Baby. When I went
The house is noisy.
Oh, sabi mo sa bahay, wag maingay. Yan, when I went to Thailand last January, madust sila doon. So, pag akyat namin nung KTX, ang alam kong tawag doon, pag akyat namin ng KTX, yung parang MRT dito, bigla nang ating lalamunan ko, buti na lang I have Breathe Again, so I directly applied it agad sa lalamunan ko, and I really find it comforting sa throat, and then, yon until na ramdaman ko na hindi na siya nangangati. Basta consistently lang siya i-apply. This is coconut. Yes, ito yung pendant ulit na kasama niya. So, there you go. So, that's Breathe Again Roll-On, and this is a very good must-haves. And if, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa kids. However, ginawa ko siya kay Mireya. Tinanggal ko itong roller. And then, kumuha ko ng few drops. Tapos, dinilute ko siya. Gumawa ko ng panibagong roll-on para magamit ko sa kanya. Yan. So, that's it. That's our Breathe Again roll-on. Yan. So, order na kayo ng Breathe Again. This is very, very nice oil. O, diba? Yan. Ay, ito. Smell mo. Smell mo, Papa. Dali. Papa, you tell them how does it smell.
Good.
Good? Lagi ka namang good. Ano pa?
May sarap ako sa buhay.
Ha?
May sarap ako sa
May sarap ka sa buhay. So there, that's all everyone. And I hope you enjoyed this video. What will you say to our subscribers?
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our